In this video, I will show you how to customize the toolbar on Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So if you do want to customize your toolbar, maybe you want to add some features like bookmarks or the translate feature, or maybe you want to turn some features off, then to get started, what you're going to want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, come up to the top right of Google Chrome and click onto the three dots. Now on this menu that comes up, come down and click onto settings down towards the bottom, and once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto appearance. On the appearance section, you're going to see towards the top the option to customize your toolbar. So give that a click, and what's going to happen is a window is going to pop up on the right hand side where you can scroll through and start to customize your toolbar. So you can see different things you can turn on and off. For example, things like history, downloads, and there's also different tools and features. For example, the option to create a QR code, the Google Translate feature, and all you need to do is literally just come down and turn on or off the features that you want to make and customize your toolbar with. So that is how to customize your toolbar on Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.